Now, I spent the last few hours looking for a working method on how to get to free Microsoft rewards points, and it's extremely frustrating because I tried tons of methods that didn't work, but I finally managed to find a working method to get free rewards points for Microsoft, and I'm going to show you today how to do it, so sit back, relax, and follow these instructions. Okay guys, let's get into the tutorial and get you those free Microsoft rewards points. So you need to use your mobile phone. I've got a internet browser open, and you need to go to www.wavycoupons.com. Make sure you spell it correctly, guys. wavycoupons.com. Pretty cool website. As you can see, so many different pages on here, so you can have a browse at your leisure. Go to the search bar, type in Microsoft, free Microsoft rewards points. So this is going to get you 100,000 free points, as you can see here. So you're interested in this top code. So you need to tap this blue button that says show code. And you can see this is a 100,000 free Microsoft rewards points, and you need to unlock your code, guys. As you can see, these codes are protected to stop people from basically stealing all of them. So you need to tap unlock code, and you're going to see this pop up, and there is going to be a new screen that appears. I'm not going to do it, I've already got enough codes, but basically you're going to see a new screen appear, and it's going to unlock your code. And then once you've got your code, you can literally go to the Microsoft website, so Microsoft redeem code. Let's type that in there, and you can literally redeem your code on the Microsoft website, and it's going to credit you 100,000 free Microsoft rewards points. So that is how you do it, guys. Hope you found this video useful. Go to wavycoupons.com, and that is how you can get your Microsoft rewards points for free. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time.